Welcome to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for the latest car and pickup reviews, features, and in-depth automotive insights. Before we dive into the powerful and rugged 2026 John Deere Pickup, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update from Auto Drive. Stay with us until the end of the video to discover some unique highlights and hidden features that make this pickup truly stand out. The 2026 John Deere Pickup is not just about power, it's a symbol of strength, utility, and advanced engineering. Let's begin with what lies under the hood. This model offers engine options including a robust V8 and a fuel-efficient V6, with displacements tailored to deliver the perfect balance between torque and horsepower. The powertrain delivers exceptional performance whether you're hauling equipment or tackling off-road terrain. Expect horsepower figures that comfortably exceed 350 horsepower, with torque climbing over 400 pound-feet, ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The transmission system includes both automatic and manual options, with up to 10 gears for smoother shifting and enhanced fuel efficiency. Depending on your driving needs, you can choose between rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, or an all-wheel drive setup for maximum traction and control in all conditions. Inside the cabin, the 2026 John Deere Pickup offers a spacious and functional layout. Seating capacity varies between 2 to 5 passengers depending on the cab configuration. Upholstery options range from durable cloth for practical use to high-end leather in premium trims. Features like heated and cooled seats, power-adjustable controls, and enhanced cabin insulation offer comfort and refinement for long drives and tough jobs alike. On the outside, the pickup has a muscular and rugged design. Its body style reflects pure utility with aggressive lines and a commanding presence. The truck measures competitively in length and width, offering a long wheelbase for increased stability. Large wheels and a high ground clearance ensure excellent off-road capability and load-carrying performance. The suspension setup includes a heavy-duty live axle in the rear and independent suspension in the front, providing the perfect combination of durability and ride comfort. Steering is precise with rack and pinion systems, and the vehicle features gas-charged shocks for better control over rough surfaces. Braking is managed by large disc brakes on all 4 corners, offering confident stopping power. Safety is also a priority with features like multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, and electronic stability control built in to ensure driver and passenger protection. The infotainment system includes a modern touchscreen interface with radio, CD player, and an advanced GPS navigation system. Bluetooth connectivity and smart device integration are standard across most trims. Additional features include cruise control, power windows, central locking, and optional sunroof in higher-end models. Unique trim packages offer chrome accents, wood interior finishes, and off-road appearance kits for added personalization. Stay with us till the end of every video on Auto Drive for more expert reviews, latest updates, and special features. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Drive for more automotive content that keeps you ahead of the curve.